Hello! Another day, another review. Ito nga pala yung F1 Hotel. So, ito yung hotel lobby located on the 5th floor. Yung na-assign na room sa amin is nasa 14th floor. So, ito yung way going dun sa room namin. So, nandito siya sa pinakadulo. So, yun, itatap nyo lang din yung keycard niya para ma-open yung door. Pagpasok ng door, mayroong mini hallway. On the left side, makikita niyo yung painting. And then, yung nakikita niyo na door, ito naman yung papunta sa toilet and bath. So, as you can see, mayroong mirror. And then, my hair dryer. May provided na rin na dental kit. Merong hand soap, tissue, at syempre may bidet. And then, ito naman yung shower area. Meron itong hot and cold shower. And then, meron ding shampoo and conditioner at shower gel. Tara, i-check naman natin yung ibang part ng room. On this area, makikita nyo na merong bottled water, electric kettle, coffee, tea, creamer, and sugar. Then, ito naman yung mini fridge. Check naman natin yung closet. As you can see, merong security deposit box, may weighing scale, merong bathrobe, iron, ironing board, and slippers. If you like this room, you can book this via Klook using my Klook promo code CandyKlook for discount. So, yung price ng room is depende sa number of persons and sa date kung kailan kayo mag-i-stay. Ito naman yung view sa gabi. And ito naman yung sa umaga. Tatlo yung swimming pool dito pero dalawa lang yung na-videohan ko. Ito naman yung gym area and overlooking to sa main pool.